going to make a super quick frittata using egg whites. I need 4 eggs for this. I'm using some Sunny Queen free range eggs and we're going to separate. So we're going to put the egg whites in one bowl and the egg yolks in the other. And this is a recipe that I usually do when I actually need my egg yolks and I've got so many egg whites left over. Egg whites freeze really well too, so if you didn't want to use them immediately, you could freeze them and then defrost them in the fridge later. So the last one. And I have a large bunch of herbs here, so I'm just going to scrunch it up. A combination of parsley, basil and dill, and I'm going to roughly chop it because the food processor is going to do most of the work. This is essentially a green egg white omelette. So we'll grab the herbs and pop them into the food processor, along with 1 onion, a pinch of salt, and our egg whites. Now I'll pop the lid on and blend it until it's completely combined. Okay, this has combined nicely, so we'll take it off our blender and we can start cooking this. In a non-stick pan, I'll add a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. And with my spatula, we're going to pour this in. See how light and fluffy it is? Fantastic. Now we're going to spread the frittata mixture out and just allow that to cook for a minute on that side. Once it detaches from the bottom, I'm going to flip it and continue cooking it. Now I've just flipped that over and allowed it to set on the other side and it is ready. I'll take it out of the pan. Look at that, it's almost like a souffle, so spongy, delicious. And to finish it off, some Parmesan. If you want to keep this 100% dairy-free, just leave it out. A few fresh, vibrant tomatoes over the top. And some chili and all of those herbs that we added. That looks pretty appetizing, and the best thing about it, it's 100% healthy.